To solve Cash App payment failed issues, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable and secure network. If your internet connection is unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, verify your Cash App account information. Check that your name, email address, and phone number are correct and up to date. Make sure you have verified your account by following the prompts in the app. Check your payment method to ensure it is valid and has sufficient funds. If you are using a bank account, check that the account is active and has enough money to cover the payment. If you are using a credit or debit card, verify that the card is not expired and has enough available balance. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's information, the payment amount, and any additional details such as notes or descriptions. Make sure you have entered the correct cash tag or phone number for the recipient. If you have checked all of the above and the payment is still failing, try restarting the Cash App. Sometimes, simply closing and reopening the app can resolve the issue. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Check the Cash App status page to see if there are any known issues or outages that may be affecting your payment. You can also try contacting Cash App support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to resolve the payment failure. Finally, consider alternative payment methods if the issue persists. You can try using a different payment app or service, or using a traditional payment method such as a check or money order. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cash App payment failed issue and complete your transaction successfully.